Hi everybody! Welcome to No Nails. In this video I'm going to do a lemon ombre. Ready for the summer or spring. Yes, we've got spring. I think I'm just desperate for summer, but springtime's going to come. We're going to have daffodils. All those gorgeous lemon colours are going to be coming out in the flowers, and we're going to do an ombre just to celebrate it. Here we go. Come on, let's get this form onto this little tiny finger. It's so cute and pretty. Don't you dare wiggle it about. She's like, what? You want me to put the form on straight while you're going like this with your finger?
Hey, girl!
I think Faye has
Something's
just...
gone to my head.
We've had Fanta. You've had Dr. P.
I've had Dr. P.
And I've had
You've got
Fanta.
no sugar ones though.
I know. We've had, that's what it is. We just have food.
Yeah,
We're like, oh my God, our body's got food. Yeah.
Before we were hangry.
Yeah, we were hungry before. Oh.
God. I don't think we're going to get through this one.
Right, come on.
Adam, stop being so negative.
Goddamn negative. This man is
Negative.
shocking behaviour.
Just going to have an apple.
You just have an apple duck. So dehydrate with the dehydrator, and Faye will cover herself in Fanta because she's laughing with Fanta in her mouth. Acid-free primer. Gonna do a thin layer of crystal clear. Now, the other ones are a 4, so this will have to be a 3.5 because it's a little finger. And if you keep the little finger the same length as the other fingers, it looks a little bit berserk. Some people know what berserk means.
Yeah.
Do you?
Berserk.
I know, but in other countries they don't use berserk, do they?
I don't know.
Do they use berserk, Adam?
Woohoo.
In other countries, like, you know, people in general.
Well, generally, if they speak English, I think they'll know what berserk means. But if they don't speak English, then
Do you say
maybe
berserk?
maybe berserko.
Do you say
Berserko.
Yeah.
Like sneaked.
They do.
Sneaked is not a word. You just made that up.
This is a word, isn't it?
It's a word,
It's a
yeah.
word.
It's a silly word.
Oh, it's a
It
silly
doesn't mean
word.
anything.
According to Adam, it's a silly word.
It's a silly word. doesn't
Well,
mean
okay then.
anything.
Well, we're silly people, so.
This colour is Beryl. Beryl is so nice. She's gorgeous for the springtime.
We only got more better.
Oh, we just love Beryl. She's just such a nice colour. Look, she's just so nice. She's got all these little particles of glitter running through. It's so nice. It's very easy to work with as well.
Are you going to reverse? You're doing a full ombre.
Oh, we can reverse one on that one.
What are you doing on this one?
An ombre.
And what you're putting at the what you're putting at the back of it?
That.
Your pink.
Mm.
And then what you're going to do this one and reverse it.
Yeah, we could do
Colour
that.
to the
That'd be
cuticle
nice.
and then you. What colour have you gone with? Is it rose glow?
No, we're using... Oh, yes, it is rose glow.
I wasn't sure.
I'm just going to build that colour up a little bit more. What I do need to do is make sure I sort of blend this down here so it's very thin on the natural nail. If you can hear crunching in the background, that is Adam eating an apple. He sounds like he's really enjoying it
Is
now.
that really loud, is it? Okay, I'll stop. I didn't realise it was that loud.
And I'm going to pull this bead.
No, it's trying to apple as if he hasn't got teeth.
He's trying to eat an apple like he hasn't got teeth. He's trying to dissect the apple with his gums.
Tongue in his gum. And the
His
roof of
lips.
his mouth.
If only you could see this, Adam. Sorry, we're getting a bit crazy in here today. It's a bit cray cray. Okay, so we've got a colour on, and you can see how the bulk of the colour is towards the end length, and then we've got this little slope here. It's a little slope, a little slopey. It's like a really bad apex. Yeah? So what we're going to do is...
So you're doing an ombre?
I'm doing an ombre!
Oh, you mean with that colour and your bezel?
What did you think I was doing?
I thought you were going to do a number of different colours. Sorry.
Oh, no, darling. No. Right, this is, I think, when you're doing an ombre, using a natural colour at the back. What are you doing? What are you messing with? Why are you even touching it?
You can't.
We need the little nail at 5. We've gone 4. The little nail is at 5.
It doesn't. Can you imagine if you like that? What do you want to do? Level it up. What do you want? So when they're together, look, when they're together, what do you want to do? Bring it all the way to here so it looks. You idiot! I'm not making it longer. You have to go a little bit shorter with the little nail. Oh my god, this girl!
I keep looking at the time.
What time is it? Right, shut up now.
Oh wait, it's off again. Shut up.
Rose glow at the back. It's always nice to put a nude kind of colour at the back because it's a lot easier to fill. So when you're doing clients, or if you're doing them on yourself, you can still fill it and have this gorgeous colour. Oh my god, Adam, stop eating the frigging apple.
I hope he's off again.
Blend, blend, blend. Shut up now. Blend, 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 blend. That's what we want to do. Right, so now I'm going to get a tiny bit of blank slate. Blank slate is the mother of all blending. It will perfectly blend your ombres no matter what the colour. It will add that little ghosting effect. And then we've got a cap with clear.
A few minutes later.
I'm going to pinch through to the end. So not just this area, because the pinching tool will not touch this tip. You see the gaps? It's only going to pinch the stress area. But then we're going to take our finger and thumb and pinch the length. And scratch his nose. Ah, scratch his nose.
You didn't want no clinkers on. Oh, it's okay, no worries, that was mixed.
So now we're going to make these.
You watch that skin, Lady Lemon face.
Lady Lemon face. It's all about the lemons today. The lemons.
Put some lemons in the fridge. Put real lemon in. So, encapsulate real lemon.
Real lemon peel.
Mm-hmm.
Would you do that?
No.
No, I don't think you would.
Well, that's hard.
Look cool.
Why don't you just cut it up? Who votes for Adam just cuts the apple up? I hate mouth sounds. I'm not happy about this at all, Adam. Don't hear the mouth noises. They make me angry.
You should be happy about me eating healthy stuff.
I know. Why should make me happy, really? It should really make me happy. Makes you happy because you're being healthy. You know, them days when I'm like, I need chocolate. And you're like, well, I've only got orange juice. I'm like, wow, you're no fun, are you?
Are you the chocolate police dad?
No, I love chocolate.
No, but then when he's trying to be good and he hasn't got chocolate, I want
chocolate.
all the chocolate.
You had some over there, the Maltese bit.
Oh, no, I ate them all very quickly.
Before we could get everything. And we're going to finish off with a bit of top coat. Going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat. This has no sticky layer. Bit of vanilla. Cuticle
and lemon
oil.
cheesecake.
Oh,
I mentioned that's the second time.
what's
I said
wrong with
cheesecake
you
today.
with cheesecake today?
Should have made a cheesecake. If you like cheesecake, I'd make a good cheesecake.
Do you? Gorgeous lemon ombre with, what colour did we use? Where's it gone?
That's it.
Bit of bezier and, yeah, rose glow.
It's a pretty colour, that is.
It's nice. It's got that nice pinkness to it. I do like it. There you are, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And I'll see you in the next video. So please keep watching. Bye-bye. All right, that's my belly.
I'd say we're Adam chewing his apple.
It wasn't Adam chewing his apple. It was my belly. Did you hear it? He was too busy chewing his apple.
Crunching his apple.
Crunching away. Do you know what my nan calls crunching? My nan used to call crunching when my nan was alive. This is my nan Meekin. Old Lily Meekin. She used to call crunching. She'd walk round and have a bit of a, and she'd go, oh, crunching. Go, oh, crunching. She'd be like, oh, crunching.
How funny.
I know.